full brakes and full throttle.
Okay.
Whenever you're ready. Not bad. Brake, and then the sharp corner. You try see, control the car in. Understeer. This still got, but it's not that bad, the understeer. What's the inertia is going there?
Trailer in is a bit better lah. Trailer in a bit better lah.
Go. So much acceleration.
Yeah. I saw videos of Chris Harris
Drifting this
doing the power oversteer.
I think he really high speed.
Can.
You need a lot of speed to go in sideways.
Can it? You just gun it from rest.
I think you gun it, you must know to throw the car also. Even if you go too fast,
You understand
you
this.
should understand. So I think it's all about how you throw the car in also. Try again. Okay, no time, bro. Don't worry. Just not that that car was 3.2.
Blue one.
Constant 3.2.
This is faster lah.
3 rounds was 3.2. Then 3 seconds, 3.1.
6%.
Reset. Actually, I'm gonna try something.
Okay. AC off. Wing the. Oh.
Let's try.
No, let's drag.
Okay, whenever you're ready. Full brakes, full throttle. I think it's me lah, bro. My weight. Looking all weight. See, but still got grip, you know.
Yeah.
But it's not like a super car grip, I would say.
Yeah. It's not like a super sticky tire kind of level. But the acceleration is
Immense, right?
immense. Really slingshot you out of the corner.
That's the thing about electric cars. No other car can give you this kind of acceleration.
Yeah. Feels very safe though. It's like cannot do wrong with the car.
That four-wheel drive understeer. That's why you feel more understeer than oversteer.
Yeah.
For the normal everyday Joe, right?
Mm.
They are more used to understeer. as compared to
Safer lah.
oversteer. Yeah, it's safer.
Easier to correct than oversteer.
Technically, yes lah, yes.
Easy to correct.
Sure. Do I go again?
Huh? No, drive through lah. Drive through.
What? No problem. Can bro, no problem. 很多时间啊。
Yeah lah. Till 4 o'clock right?
State of charge is 44.